Hey guys, today I have an LG electric dryer. I'm going to show it off here, show you that everything on it's working perfect. And right now I've got it pretty heavy towel load in there. We've changed out the lint trap, which goes right here. Make sure that's clean before every load. You see the lights on in there, nice and bright. Close this up. Now here you've got a ton of different options, tons of options on here, including the smart diagnosis to use with an app on your phone. That's kind of cool. Otherwise, on this, we're going to hit time dry, which gives us high heat, 40 minutes, and we could do more time, less time, tons of different things that you can adjust. You've also got custom programs you can do. You've got the cycles you can go through here for all your automatic cycles. But for me, I just kind of go time dry, let it rip on full blast. And so we're going to go with that. So we'll hit go. What I love about this dryer is it's so quiet. I don't actually have the vent hooked up on the back. With that hooked up on there, this thing would be virtually silent. It's pretty awesome. You can hear my fan and this washer over here running over this thing. So I'm going to give this just a minute to warm up, and I'm going to shoot my little temperature gun inside and show you how hot it is on the inside, but you can hear it and see it. Very smooth, very quiet operation. So we'll give it just a minute. I'll come right back with my temperature gun. All right, so it's been about 2 minutes. That washer finally stopped making noise. And I've got my little thermometer gun here. You can see it's about 84 degrees on top of the dryer. If I shine that down here on the concrete floor, you can see it's about 78, 79 degrees down here on the ground. So we will open this up. You can see everything's tumbling. We'll shoot this right inside the heating element tube. You see plenty of heat coming out of that tube right there. And then that in turn is going to heat the inside of your dryer up anywhere from about 95 up to 195 as it really gets going and continues to run. Also depends on what you have that heat setting at. So we'll go back up here. Hit go. And let that go ahead and finish up. We're going to list this one up, I believe, solo. I always do a video after everything's been thoroughly cleaned and tested so that you can see that everything works perfect. And I do appreciate you taking the time to watch my video today. So you guys have a great day.